How do I install a sink in a room that doesn't have a drain vent? I want to install a sink in my attached garage where there is no existing plumbing. I will be running new water supply and drain pipes to mains behind a nearby wall. I'm concerned I will need a drain vent to avoid a slow or gurgling drain. What is a good design to avoid plumbing problems once installed? Question from user Spowlson at Stack Exchange. Answer: yours is a not uncommon problem, so a solution does exist. For example, how might one vent a sink in an island in the center of a kitchen? I looked online, and it seems there are two common solutions. You can use what is called a vacuum breaker, which lets air into the line to prevent slow gurgly drain problems without allowing sewer gases into the area. The second option is an island loop vent. Both are described clearly in this link. Answer from user 558 at Stack Exchange.